Assalamu alaikum. Sab theek hai?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
I like your hat.
Aliyabad.
English, sorry. Ah, from Honza. Oh, very nice.
Dekho, ye Honza.
I can try? I like the hat.
Yes, yes.
It looks very warm.
Oh,
Oh, it's a bit small.
I think it looks good on you, Harry.
Yeah?
I think it really looks good.
What's this fabric? What's it made out of? It's so like soft. Velvet.
Velvet or dosuta.
Oh wow.
Yes.
It's beautiful. Look at this. Oh nice. Royal blue. Oh, it's a little bit small. Oh, there we go. It fits.
Ah, yes, yes.
Royal blue, bro.
Looking good.
Yeah? Zabardast?
Yes. Zabardast.
Yeah, I like this one actually. And these are wallets?
Yes.
Oh, I remember they hand knit.
Handmade.
Handmade,
Yes,
wow.
yes, yes.
Oh, it's a little handbag.
Handmade.
Awesome, got some slippers. Did you make these yourself?
क्या कहते हैं?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
आप खुद बनाते हैं ना ये सब
Ah, yes.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, Baltic Ford, I've been there. I've been. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Kidna rupees.
Berum ser alto.
चीजों आप जितना मर्जी
200. 2,000.
how much
2,000. $10. You can do small discount?
नहीं कई बार नहीं.
No discounts?
आप बोलो ना बोलते हैं
The tourist discount. Torah. What's the best price?
That's right. Thank
बोलो ना
you.
बता कितना है उसमें कितना कम बताऊं रेट बताओ ना कम
200 कम कर रहे हैं.
200 off?
Yes.
1,800. Okay. G. Acha.
this
Okay.
one is a handmade so
G. Yes.
This is the
It's
price for
very.
this one.
Design is beautiful.
this is a fabric from the market but this is a local handmade so this is you pay a price for this one
No, I like it.
How do you feel? Does it irritate your skin?
No, the other one actually does. This one is softer.
I feel it looks good.
It's good. There we go. Thank you very much. 1,800. So just under $10 for this. And now we're looking at the king of Honza.
Oh, you got a purse
G.
too?
Do you sell these internationally?
Yes.
G.
Yes.
Okay.
सिर्फ 50 रुपए कम है. चेंज भी है 50 रुपए कम.
That's okay. No problem. No problem. That's fine.
Sorry.
No problem. No problem. Okay. आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम दिलशावर.
Dilshawa.
दिलशावर.
Dilshawa. Okay.
Yes.
मेरा नाम Harry.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I got mine.
Okay. Allah Hafiz. There we go, guys. Nice little purchase. Now I bought like 3 hats here in Pakistan, but this is my favorite because it's really comfortable. It's so soft on top. Keeps the warmth in, and I love the royal blue colours. You guys know this will match with my Kalwa chemise.